All right, it's that time of week again. We just thought we'd do a quick run through the workshop and what we've been up to prior to heading off to Texas on Monday. It's obviously Friday afternoon. Got a few new bits and pieces in the shop. I'll just show you now. New shirt. Picked up some wheels on clearance. So yeah, just a few bits and pieces like that. But generally pretty busy in the shop. I mean, considering with all the fuel crisis and all that sort of stuff, wasn't sure what was going to happen, but we've been ticking along selling paint. But enough of that. Let's go out the back and see the good stuff. We did get a top-up order from Offie during the week. A few new shirts. Triple carb manifold for Chev. And I got a good deal on these solid wheels. Got a couple of 16s, a couple of 18s and 4. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I'll do something with them. I'm just waiting on the center caps. Right, so most of the week we actually spent on the Coupe Ute, the green one. You can see here we've managed to get the rear suspension and the diff and stuff back in the 37. Got the new bushes, all that sort of stuff. So we're slowly putting that together as we spin round. So most of the week was on this one. It's going to the trimmers on Monday, so we had a bunch of stuff just to tidy up for that. Cody finished off his last bits of wiring and just tidied up a few bits and pieces to do with the air conditioning, and just basically one of the things we had to do was on the inside. If I go and open the door, sort of up the top there, we had to do an overhead sort of console. So the customer wanted, like, you can see stereo speakers. Obviously the stereo is not in there at the moment, but you can see where it goes. It's got a couple little compartments up here. This will all get trimmed so it'll match the hood lining. As we come down here, switches, all that sort of stuff in and done. One of the most important things, cup holders are in. And you can see the seats are in, ready to be trimmed. Going in like a distressed red sort of colour from memory. Interior light, all working off the doors, and even in behind this thing, in behind the seats. Let's see if we can do this as I sneak over, but up under here, so you can see there's a bit of storage room there. And we've got a light that lights that area up. We can turn it off. So we've been doing that. But yeah, as I say, this now will be off to trim. And by the time we come back from our next trip, hopefully it's all done. So maybe we'll chat about what's going to happen over the next 2 weeks. All right, so we are heading off to Texas for 2 events. The first one being the Lone Star Roundup. So that's not this weekend, coming next weekend. So we basically land, we're going to go straight down to Austin. We've got some stuff to do in Dallas. We've got a day, then we're going to drive down to Austin. A whole bunch of hot rod places to call into and car shops and tourist stuff. Lone Star Roundup, then a bit of touristy stuff sort of around Austin for a day or two. Back to Dallas, and we've got the Pate swap meet, which is a huge swap meet. We can't wait, because you know what? How much Craig loves swap meets and buying stuff off Marketplace. However, this week it was me that bought a new project. So as I'll cut away and show you now. So I bought this 68 Coronet. I've been kind of working on it with the guy for a few months. I thought it had all fallen over, and then just before Easter he messaged me and said, yep, right, I'm home. So we've worked out a bit of a deal. When we get back, I have to get it here. I'm getting it with no motor and gearbox. Needs a bit of work. But for now, I've bought it, put it to one side, and we'll deal with that later in the year. I think at this stage I'm going to have to do the brakes and a few bits and pieces like that. And I'm thinking that I'll probably go for a Gen 3 Hemi of some sort. But back to what we're going to do in Texas. So we'll do Pate Swap Meet, which is a 2-day swap, very big. There's a whole bunch of car shows on the Saturday after that, because the swap meet's like Thursday, Friday. And then we'll just do some tourist stuff around Dallas, go to Gas Monkey Garage. So we've got a whole bunch of stuff. There'll be tons of videos, and it should be a pretty good 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks. Not really looking forward to the red eye from Perth to Sydney, so 5 hours overnight, and then sitting in the airport for 5 hours, then doing 17 to Dallas. But I suppose it's better than doing 14 to LA, then having a couple more hours in the airport, and then doing another 5 to Dallas. Should be a good trip. Can't wait. Obviously, while we're away, Wayne and Fang are looking after the shop, so you can still drop in, order stuff, grab your bits and pieces, buy stuff off our eBay store, buy merch, and of course, like, subscribe, hit notifications, and the next 2 weeks are going to be awesome. Stay tuned.